Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chantel and this is Essentially Chantel. I started a new series and it's called Essential Tips in Under 5 Minutes. And today we're talking about lavender because we're talking about all the oils in the new updated premium starter kit by Young Living. So let's get started. Now in the new premium starter kit, you do get your lavender essential oil. It is the smaller bottle. This is 15 milliliters and you will get the 5 milliliter, but it has this purple label. So that means that you can apply it topically and you can use it in the diffuser. So I find that most of us get our premium starter kit and we diffuse lavender and that's it. Like, what do you do after you diffuse lavender? How do you use lavender other than diffusing it? What about the other oils? So that's what this series is all about. So let's talk about what else you can do with lavender besides diffusing it by itself. So there's lots of different things. First of all, if you've watched any other videos about lavender essential oil, you'll hear us all say it's the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. And that's true. What does that mean? It means that basically when in doubt, use lavender. So it can be used for so many things. Helps your emotions, helps your nervous system. It helps it can help your skin system. Yes, it can help your skin. It's amazing for so many different things. The way I like to use it is I do like to diffuse it. I love to diffuse it at night with a couple drops of cedar wood. Some people hate cedar wood. My husband and I, we love it. I use it for my little Stinky Cooper. I call him Stinky sometimes, but Cooper. This is his little roller blend. And in here, originally, I believe there was 15 drops of lavender, 15 drops of lemon, 15 drops of peppermint. And then the rest was fractionated coconut oil. So that's just coconut oil that's already in a liquid form. And then every time we put it in this roller bottle, it looks like that. And I just roll it on the back of his neck every single day. He used to have to take a medication for seasonal support almost every day. Now he rarely needs to take that because I just shake this up and then we use it on the back of his neck, and he's been so much happier and more comfortable using the seasonal support trio, we'll call it. And that's been for a few years. Now lavender is actually, it's steam distilled, and they actually use just the flowering tops. So I don't know what they do with the rest of the plant. I guess we should find out, but it comes from the actual blooms. Now the frequency of lavender essential oil is 118 megahertz. A human body is like, I think it's 78 megahertz. I'm starting to do a study on frequency. So that's something for you to look forward to lately. And I think that's the beauty of essential oils and the power of essential oils. It's all about the frequency, right? I mean, we're all energy. And so it makes sense that different frequencies would affect our body and our organs and our emotions in a different way. So I've just got started on that. So that's something to look forward to. But the way I do like to use this again is to diffuse it. I love it in my bath salts. So I'll just take a handful of Epsom salts, put a few drops on the Epsom salts. You don't want to really just put the essential oil just in the bathtub water because oil and water, they don't mix. So it's nice to have the Epsom salts and to adhere to the oil, and then you'll get more use out of your oil. And let me tell you, Think Dirty app, has rocked my world. Epsom salts are not created equal. They're not all great and healthy. So make sure you check out on the Think Dirty app about how toxic or how clean, how dirty, how clean your Epsom salts are before you use them. Some of them are shockingly high. So I like to diffuse it. I like to use it in my bath with Epsom salts. We use it in Cooper's We use it in Cooper's seasonal blend. I also put it on the bottom of my feet every night. It's one of my everyday oils to help support all those different systems. In the summertime, hopefully we'll have summer soon, I will use it as an after sun spray. So either with some water, maybe like a little bit of almond oil in there, or even a little fractionated coconut oil. I'll put it in a spray bottle. I put it in the fridge, and then afterwards, so cooling, so refreshing, and so supportive of my skin after being out in the sun all day. With this fair skin, I need all the support I can get, but I need that vitamin D too, so I'm going out into the sun. I also love to use it when my mascara tube starts to get dry. I'll put a drop or 2, don't put more than 2, into my mascara, and then it adds a lot of moisture to it, and I get to use my mascara for a lot longer, and then it's lovely as a linen spray. So if you just take, again, a spray bottle that you can get off of Amazon, like a 2-ounce spray bottle, some distilled water, a few drops of lavender essential oil, shake it up and spray it on your pillows. Oh yeah, sweet dreams for sure. Now if you don't want to shake it up, that's just too much for you, and that's okay. No judgment here. You can add a couple drops of witch hazel to it, and then you don't have to worry about shaking up your bottle if you're, prone to forgetting that. So those are the ways I love to use lavender essential oil. If you've liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And if there's other people on your team, part of my vision is for my videos to be used for other teams for educational purposes, maybe a few laughs, but definitely more knowledge. So thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.